Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix voice typing not working in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your system unit and wait for your Windows 11 computer to load completely. Make sure everything is fully booted up before proceeding with the fixes, as this ensures all system components are properly initialized and ready for configuration changes. Once your PC is ready, we'll begin by addressing some important settings. Navigate to your Windows Start menu, which is located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. From here, type in Settings in the search bar and press Enter. This will open the Microsoft Settings window where you can access all your system configurations. In the Settings window, look for and click on the Time and Language option. This section controls various language and speech-related features on your system. Once you're in the Time and Language menu, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see several options listed there. Click on the Speech option to access your voice and speech recognition settings. Now here's an important setting that can affect voice typing accuracy. Make sure to enable the toggle for Recognize non-native accents for this language. This feature improves the system's ability to understand different speech patterns and accents, which can significantly enhance voice typing performance. After enabling this option, you can close the Settings menu. Next, we need to check your microphone drivers, as outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of voice typing issues. Head back to your Start menu, but this time, instead of clicking on it, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with various system options. From this list, click on Device Manager. This will open a new Device Manager window where you can view and manage all your hardware components. In the Device Manager window, look for the section labeled Audio Inputs and Outputs and click to expand it. This will reveal all your audio devices. Locate your microphone driver from the list and right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. Click on Update Driver to check for the latest driver version. Making sure you're running the most current microphone driver is crucial for proper voice recognition functionality, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements specifically designed to resolve compatibility issues with Windows 11. Once you've updated the driver, simply restart your Windows 11 PC. This restart allows all the changes you've made to take effect properly. After your computer reboots, your voice typing should now be working correctly. You've addressed both the speech recognition settings and the microphone driver, which are the two most common causes of voice typing problems in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.